Hey, it's Dustin, and in this video I thought it'd be fun to introduce my wife, Rachel. Rachel is a hairstylist. She's been a hairstylist for the last 17 years, and not only is she excellent at coloring and cutting, but she is really skilled at connecting with clients. So I thought it'd be fun to bring her on this video and give a couple tips of what she's done over the years and how she's found success in connecting with her clients.
This is something that I really love to do, and one of the ways that I've found that you can set yourself apart from other hairstylists is to connect and communicate with your clients. First, ask questions. Make sure your client knows that you care about their hair, you care about how they view their hair, and they will feel heard and validated. Second, take the attention off you. This isn't about you, this is about your client. So make sure that you're looking for their story. Have them tell you their story and find ways to connect that way. And third, look for a personal connection. You just need one, but connect with that person and remind them of that connection as they're walking out the door.
I want you to not only get by as a hairstylist, but I want you to surpass your wildest goals. If you want to grow to a six-figure plus hair business, I'm ready to help. Go ahead and click the button below to sign up for Salon Marketing University, where you will learn the step-by-step process to getting new clients on autopilot so that you can live the life of your dreams. So click the button below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the course.